So I go to Walmart to go grocery shopping, right? Because where I am, Walmart is where I can get more for what I pay, and it's cheaper. So while grocery shopping, before I even went grocery shopping, I decided that I wanted to make chicken Alfredo because I haven't made Alfredo in months. So I decided that I wasn't going to get the jar of Alfredo sauce like how I used to get. I wanted to try and make it from scratch. And upon, looking up what I need to get in order to make it from scratch, I get my ingredients, paid for them, bag them up. I use self checkout because the cash registers, I'm sorry, but it's too damn slow. So I pack everything, put it up, get home. I go to clean up, put my groceries up. After that, I decide, hey, let me go ahead and start making my Alfredo. I'm gathering all of my ingredients, trying to get all of my stuff together so I can go ahead and start cooking. Y'all, tell me why the heavy whipping cream, the fettuccine pasta, and a bag of fucking yellow onions and something else, my groceries was fucking missing. Now, I wasn't the one that misplaced it. I can very much fucking say that. Groceries is too fucking high to be fucking misplacing. Like, these high ass groceries, who the hell got time to be misplacing groceries? So, of course, like, yes, I got pissed off about it. And now I'm just waiting for my groceries to be replaced.